Hello, Assalamualaikum, and good day to all of my friends. So today, me and my friend, my friend was Shuhada, Nurul Safira, Sarah Aisha, and Aiman Naufal. Alright, so we will talk about compensation and benefits. That is current compensation and benefit practice at one of the company that we choose. The company was Jacobs Due Egberts. Due Experts, okay, or JDE, is a global coffee and tea company that operates in more than 140 countries. Right? It was formed in 2015 when the Dutch company DE Master Blenders 1753 merged with the coffee division of the American company Mondelez International, which includes brands like Jacobs, Due Expert, Tassimo, and Canon. In Malaysia, our organization, that is JDE, employs more or around 900 people with our local head office and coffee plant located in Permas Jaya, right? So in June 2017, JDE was acquired. Super was acquired by Jacobs Due Egberts. That means JDE was bought over Super for their brand. So the Super story, there is a lot of company that doing that way. So one is JDE, of course. They bought over the super and Old Town as well. So in Malaysia, JDE own Old Town and the super brand. Right, that's all introduction from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Idaham, and hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. I will talk more about compensation and benefit JDE company. The company offer health benefit, business travel benefit, and welfare benefit. First, their health benefit consists of hospital benefit, surgical expenses, expenses for non-surgical case. Next, business travel benefit consists of business travel hotel, flight, parking at airport, and etc. Anything related to business travel, company are provided to claiming. Other than that, their welfare benefits such as married contribution, newborn contribution, and hospitalization contribution, and etc. We can see that this company provide favorable benefit to their employee such as healthy travel, business travel, and welfare benefit. JDE Global is a global coffee company with a significant presence in over 140 countries. Some of the manufacturing operators may need to travel to another country for their business purpose. This to meet their manufacturing facilities need to serve their diverse customer base. We come to the part pay level strategic by JDE company. Benchmark for their company is salary data show independent third party in agreement with Global Reward. This peer group is fast moving consumer goods FMCG. The highest paid employee of JDE company is a brand manager who bring about 3 million annually. And the lowest paying position is logistics specialist, which come with an annual salary is about 2 million. And the last part from me is about pay mix and strategic JDE company. tool-based proposal for JDE company, they are using their merit increase proposal by the system based on guideline grade, company and performance rating. The increase calculation involved in their company by using method performance rating, company ratio, and country merit budget. In bracket, the budget equal to country merit budget percent of local country payroll. The JDE company take part in the cycle of SAP success factor which take place once a year. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sarah. So I would like to explain more on the slide about the pay structure for the Jacobs Dewey Egbert company, which we call it as JDE. So the pay structure for Jacobs Dewey Egbert salary increase by salary proposal based on comparison ratio, promotion type, applicable in all countries with global comparison, international move, or move within one country but to a different salary range location are excluded. There are separate guidelines for the pay distances in countries with low pay dispersion, which is midpoint average difference up to 30% and medium pay dispersion midpoint average difference from 30% up to 50%. Furthermore, it delineates the salary structure for lateral move within the same band or to a higher position class, accommodating variations such as different position, slightly higher position, or roles with expanded scope, all underpinned by the principle of equity, transparency, and compliance with all local regulation, with continuous review mechanism aligned with market benchmark and integration of performance-based adjustment, all within a broader framework emphasizing employee development, diversity, equity, and inclusion. It is also a holistic approach to a total reward aimed at fostering employee satisfaction and engagement. So I'm going to explain more about the software used specifically in compensation and benefit for the JDE company. So the Jacob Dewey Egbert company picked the performance period which is equal to the business year that runs from 1st of January until 31st of December every year, where other compensations such as previous bonuses paid, pension, allowance, severance, etc. are excluded. The bonus calculation is processed via success factors and payout is made after the financial results are validated and announced in the calendar year following the planned year. In addition, bonus targets are 100% financial for Band A until Band D and a mixed financial of individual performance for other band. It is eligible for a payout if an associate is on the payroll on the last day of the performance period. Payout is prorated from the start date in the performance period associated with individual performance rating. Period of absenteeism over 2 months will not be considered for the bonus calculation.
Alright, so Assalamualaikum and good evening. So my name is Aiman Naufal. So I will presenting on recommendation for the JDE compensation and benefit. Okay, here are my suggestion based on the key points that we have summarized on the compensation and benefit structure in JDEs. The first one is regular compensation benchmarking. I think we can conduct regular benchmarking to ensure that JDE's compensation remains competitive in the market. And then I think this will help attract and retain top talent in the company. And then the second one is performance link incentive. Introduce a performance link incentive program to recognize and reward outstanding individuals and team contributions. This can boost motivation and align employees with organizational goals. And then the third is customized benefit package. Alright, the company consider offering a customized benefit package that allows employees to tailor their benefits based on individual needs. This flexibility can enhance employee satisfaction because different employees have a different needs. And then the fourth is employee wellness program. Implement a comprehensive employee wellness program to support both physical and mental well-being. A healthy workforce is crucial for productivity and engagement. Alright, next is professional development opportunities. Expand professional development opportunities, including training programs and workshops, to foster continuous learning and skill development among employees. And then employee recognition program. Establish an employee recognition program to celebrate achievements and contributions. Recognition is a powerful motivator and contributes to a positive work culture. And then the next is employee feedback mechanism. So the company maybe can introduce a structured employee feedback mechanism to gather insight and opinions. This will create a culture of open communication and enable to organizations to respond to employee needs. And then the next is diversity and inclusion incentive. Implement a diversity and inclusion incentive to reinforce JDE's commitment to creating an inclusive workplace. Recognize and reward efforts that contribute to a diverse and respectful environment. And the next is continuous market analysis. Emphasize the importance of continuous market analysis to stay informed about industry trends and ensure that JDE's compensation and benefits remain competitive. And then the next is employee financial well-being program. Launch an employee financial well-being program to provide resources and support for managing financial matters. This can contribute to the overall well-being of employees. And then the last one is flexible work arrangement. Explore the possibility of flexible work arrangement to accommodate the changing dynamic of modern workplace. This can contribute to better work-life balance for employees. So I believe that implementing this recommendation will not only enhance the overall compensation and benefit structure at JDE, but also contribute to the organization's ability to attract, retain, and engage a talent workforce. Thank you for considering my recommendation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shohada and my part is the conclusions. So, Jacobs Douay Edwards JDE stands as a prominent global entity in the coffee and tea industry. They offering a diverse range of popular brands catering to the preference of consumers worldwide. With a rich heritage and a history spanning centuries, the company has solidified its position as a leader in the markets. JDE is deeply committed to ethical and sustainable principles throughout its operations. The company has achieved significant progress in a variety of areas. JDE has been actively involved in sustainable sourcing procedures, working directly with coffee and tea growers to ensure fair remunerations, environmentally friendly agriculture techniques, and social responsibility across their supply chain. Second, they have undertaken steps to reduce their environmental footprint with the goal of achieving sustainability in packaging, energy use, and waste management. There have been efforts to use recyclable materials and reduce the use of plastic. Third, in terms of community engagement, JDE has demonstrated its commitment to the areas in which it operates by participating in numerous social responsibilities programs and activities that promote local growth and well-being. Finally, there is a variety in inclusion. The organization has prioritized cultivating diversity and inclusion throughout its workforce, with the goal of creating a culture of equality and opportunity for all employees. Thank you. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.